Welcome back. Let's take a look at the latest in the world of sports. Now, Harambee Stars management team and players have been taken through the laws of the game ahead of their AFCON qualifier against Comoros. Under the tutelage of FIFA referee Dr. Peter Waweru, the course is expected to put the players and members of the technical bench up to date on the ever-changing laws of the game.
We as the referees, we have been trained on the latest changes. We are going to implement it in a game, but it's not the referees playing, it is the players. So it is important for the player to know what are these changes, so that in case the referee is making a call on the field, from the word go, the player knows what to expect.
We've learned a lot, and major concern was about the offside, about wasting time, and also about the handball, because handball has been a major controversial issue. So these are things that at least now we've been able to be updated, and I think if we apply them, we're going to have smooth games in the future.
I've learned a lot. Some of the rules I knew them, but some were new to me. So it's a good session for players, especially who are playing at the top level. So it helps you to understand the game even better. I think with education, it never ends. So you have to keep learning, because also the rules, there are always some reviews of the rules. So some new rules are being formed, while some are being taken away. So it's important to learn each and every time.
Away from football, the national Kabaddi team is determined to retain their African title and fly the national